Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, restaurant level and cash. Once done, check manager availability and skill levels because upgrades consume money and time. Open the manager panel and select the upgrade tab now. This reveals exact cost, time, and stat increases. You should queue affordable upgrades first to avoid downtime. If you lack cash, sell one low-value asset or pause hiring. Make sure to note any temporary boosts that reduce cost or time before committing to the upgrade. You now execute the core steps. Select the manager to upgrade, then compare stat gains against the cash and time cost. This is where ROI matters. Apply XP boosters or active 1/2 cost events to stretch funds and queue upgrades sequentially so one completes before another starts. While upgrading, adjust staff schedules to cover gaps. You don't want reduced quality during rush. If multiple upgrades are possible, prioritize ones that improve revenue or reduce prep time first, because they pay back faster. You finish by confirming the upgrade completion and immediately reassign the manager to their optimized station, then run 1 to 2 shifts to validate improved performance. If gains do not appear, relog or toggle the manager panel. Many state issues resolve on reload. Make sure to check for active buffs that might mask changes. If you encounter a persistent bug, do not keep retrying. Gather timestamps and screenshots and submit a support ticket. That minimizes lost progress and speeds a proper fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.